has some. Amy! Oh, Amy, yours still has some.
Mine does?
Nope. No! Just kidding. Oh, wait. No more. Now this. Elmer's magical liquid. Mom, how do you open it? Hurry before it dries up. Oh, Mama. Okay, where's my spoon? Oh.
Mama.
2 spoons, okay?
Just 2 spoons.
I know, at least this is a little spoon. I don't want to add it all in and mix. 2 spoons? Yeah. Yeah, but this time it's going to be that big. Too much activator. Oh no, no more slime. It's almost getting there. It's already turning into slime.
That's what it's magic.
But what slime should it be? I wonder if it's going to be jiggly slime. I should have got the pearl one. Pearl-rific.
Getting it. Okay. I don't.
Yours already turned to slime like mine. Probably, we should do a capsule. Mine
Spoons.
needs a little bit. Cap a little.
Okay. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. I think that is getting too there. Can I put one more?
No, not. Okay. Put the cap. One more? Ew.
It smells too.
Doesn't smell good.
I think.
Oh no!
I think it's almost getting too there.
Mama, look! It's almost!
Oh.
All I have to do is get you over here. I bet I can play with it now.